One of the major things in ISO 21434, the cybersecurity standard in automotive, is how to reuse software, especially out of context. And you can understand why. In automotive, most software is designed to be reused across multiple cars. It can be done in a few ways. So for example, you can build your software differently with different macros, for example. So suddenly there's some pathways within your code that gets open, others gets closed. Similarly, you can also use calibration data. And in both cases, it's going to inflect how the software is going to operate. It's also going to open certain doors potentially. So if you have runtime errors here and there, these can become apparent for certain calibrations or configurations, and then you have to deal with this. You need to make sure that your software is impenetrable. It should not matter in which calibration and configuration that you're actually operating in. Formal method can actually help you do this. So say for example you have calibration data. There's nothing that prevents you from actually considering multiple sets of values there. You could have range of values, for example. And then what it enables you to do is to probe how the system is going to react under different calibration data. And if there's some of that calibration data that actually will open a runtime error here and there, and that could actually be leveraged for a cyber attack, then a tool like TrustInSoft would actually tell you about it. The advantage here is that it enables you to move quite fast. You can analyze in one analysis the impact of many different calibration data. And that enables you to close these trapdoors even if they only occur into a subset of these calibration data. Now, say that you don't use calibration data, it's a configuration thing, so you're using different macros. So formal method tools should be implemented with some kind of database of how the code gets put together, so you make sure that the same code that will be embedded into your macro is going to be the one analyzed. Well, there should not be anything preventing it from using 2, 3, 4 different databases. This way you can reuse the analyses that you already have and rerun it against a very different configuration of the code.